And on starting this way, but that showed up right on time. Okay, it says construction zone. This part of the area will be officially closed. And there you have it. Things to come. And it seems like the town council took some initiative, or area rep, or a combination of both, and they're repairing this little section of the road here. Right behind the bazaar. This is on the San Ignacio side of the Macal River Valley Belt. Currently at the low line bridge that links and connects the twin tongue of San Ignacio and Santa Elena. You could capture some of the under part. Did a little bit of research and trying to locate which society first start fabricating rebars. Couldn't find information on that. They do state that in Jerusalem is one of the first place that build a concrete port, and that's during King Herod time. So it's about to go down. Want to highlight that they claim that the Romans used arches, right? Yes, they sure did, but the Moors definitely were the ones that mastered arches and domes. So the oldest bridge in Africa is known as the Portuguese bridge, or Fossil Bridge. It's a 17th century arch bridge built in the Gordine period in Ethiopia between 16 to 1660 time frame. The Don Ann Bridge span lower Zambezi River between the Tongvilla, Desenia, and Moturara in Mozambique, linking the two halves of those African countries. They're working over there, I guess, as well. Section where the front skidder slash backhoe is working on. That was the little five-a-side field. I guess they're picking up the sand. So the low line wooden bridge is saying goodbye for now, as construction get ready to kick off and commence. And the first known bridge built in Belize is the Grand Bridge of Belize, constructed in 1818 from a grant that was from King George III, spanned over the Haulover Creek in Belize City. Visit the Raptor Center too, man. Made me appreciate vultures and educate me and give me a better understanding of those types of birds and animals. These are pylons, and these get driven down to a rock bed, and then once they make contact with the rock bed, then you can use it as a form of attaching your foundation to it. So these are pylons, and They pile drive them into the ground until they make contact with the rock bed, and then from there you can attach your foundation to it. Do a little ceremonial crossing. This will be the last time we'll be able to capture image from the low line bridge, which would be linked and connected to La Ruta Maya River Challenge. I guess they had up caution tape. So I'm currently on the Santa Elena side of the Macal River, right next to the low-line wooden bridge, slated for removal, retirement. Well, I came prepared today. I have on swim trunks, but I also brought jeans. Give a hoot, don't pollute. So another great bridge in Africa is the Norton Bridge, known as Victoria Falls Bridge. And this bridge is built in Africa and was built by Norton. And it spanned the Batoka Gorge, reaching 800 feet in depth. The Batoka, once I don't know if I have the right pronunciation. Once I turn on the camera, I do rehearsal, and then I slaughter or butcher it, as in the pronunciation. Right, let's see if I still have my skills from being a carpenter and walking on an inch and a half. That's a great shot of the Hogsworth Bridge over there. Alright, let's see if I can dismount and then do a good job there. Pretty rusty. So citizens, all tour guide and people traveling out west to the Twin Tongue of San Ignacio, Benque and beyond, duly noted that the low-line bridge will be closed. Use the roundabout in Santa Elena right there after the Shell gas station on the George Price Highway, and then you make your right hand turn onto the Lumalus Boulevard and make your way into San Ignacio from Santa Elena town. Be advised that the low line bridge is slated for removal, early retirement, and this bridge will be closed. There's several kingfisher. I'm too slow. I missed them. Oh, he nailed it. He caught a nice size sardine. It sounded like it was a fig that fell in. Remember, while traveling here, this is the mosquito coast, so make sure you bring your sunblock lotion, hats, umbrella, and bug repellent. It has a bucket that opens in the back and then can scoop from the back side of the bucket and the front. That's pretty cool. But I wanted to highlight those flowers over there, man. I just love those things. So he did a front scoop there. A few minutes ago he was using the other side of the back side of the bucket. Wanted to see if he knew that skill where he could go up halfway up, but then it's just, then again it's sand. There the flowers are again. They're setting up fences, so guys, please do not come down and steal. I mean, this is for us. Make sure we do whatever we can to protect. Guys, make sure we keep an eye out for the company. Make sure we do what we can to help prevent theft. I got some information. They state that they officially got started, like I'm assuming maybe yesterday or maybe the day before. Well, I came down and I didn't see any activity on Monday. So trying to get information is like, woo, not as easy. Some of the guys, they won't even chat with me that they told me that I could get information from. Why? Because I was trying to get information so that the gentleman with the green smack, he's a supervisor, but he wasn't giving me solid concrete information. Because I was hoping to like get a, just a brief or a smidge of information. They're not gonna do deconstruction of it. He said it's slated for demolish. So then I have to, if you want to get materials, that's another issue. But I was just trying to get enough information so that I can have an actual time frame when they're going to be demolishing the frame, so that I can be down here to record it. Like I said, I came prepared. I have my swim trunks on. I have whatever I have on. I have everything that was somewhat set so I can be in the river and on land recording the deconstruction or demolishing of the low-lying bridge. The retirement of the low-lying bridge. So they have their electrical right there set up. So I guess the Belize electricity board have to come in and connect it up. All right, note guys, even though this is slated for closure, please remember to like traffic through this area and continue to support local business in the area. Like I said, make sure you find ways on how to, like, just come in and stay in the area just to keep the cash coming in. They will need assistance for however long the bridge stays closed. You can still gain access through the old gas station over there, and then I think you can gain access to there.